Have you ever wondered if you could buy and sell stocks directly on TradingView, the platform you probably already use for charting and analysis? It's a question many traders ask, and it's a completely valid one. After all, if you're spending hours poring over charts, identifying trends, and perfecting your strategies on TradingView, wouldn't it be incredible to execute your trades right then and there, without having to jump to another platform? For years, TradingView has been the go-to for its exceptional charting tools, vast community, and powerful analytical capabilities. It's where countless traders develop their ideas, test their hypotheses, and share their insights. But the actual act of placing an order, that often meant navigating away to a separate brokerage account. This fragmented workflow can interrupt your focus, lead to missed opportunities, and generally add unnecessary friction to your trading process. Imagine spotting a perfect entry point, only to spend crucial seconds switching tabs, logging in elsewhere, and then trying to replicate your analysis. It's far from ideal. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you buy and sell stocks in TradingView? The answer is a resounding yes. TradingView has evolved significantly, moving beyond just being a charting powerhouse to becoming a comprehensive trading hub. They've achieved this by integrating directly with a growing number of reputable brokerage firms. This means you can now connect your existing brokerage account to TradingView and execute trades directly from their charts and trading panel. This integration is a game changer. Once your brokerage account is linked, you'll see a dedicated trading panel at the bottom of your TradingView interface. From here, you can manage your orders, monitor your positions, and view your account details in real time. The best part? You can place market, limit, and stop orders directly from the chart itself, simply by clicking on the price level where you want your order to be executed. This visual order placement is incredibly intuitive and efficient. You can drag and drop orders to modify them, and even set up sophisticated bracket orders with ease. Now, it's important to note that TradingView itself isn't a broker. It acts as a powerful front end for your trading, connecting you to your chosen brokerage. This is crucial because it means your funds and actual trades are still held and processed by your licensed broker, ensuring regulatory compliance and security. The list of supported brokers is extensive and constantly growing, covering various asset classes including stocks, forex, futures, and even cryptocurrencies. Popular names like Interactive Brokers, Pepperstone, TradeStation, and many others are already integrated, giving you a wide range of choices depending on your trading needs and geographical location. Each broker offers different assets and fee structures, so it's worth checking which one best aligns with your trading style. Beyond live trading, TradingView also offers a fantastic paper trading feature. This is a risk-free simulated environment where you can practice buying and selling stocks with virtual money. It's an invaluable tool for beginners to get familiar with the platform and order types, and for experienced traders to test new strategies without risking real capital. The paper trading account starts with a customizable balance, and it mimics real-time market conditions, providing a truly realistic practice ground. While TradingView offers a free basic plan for charting, accessing the full suite of features, including advanced indicators, multi-chart layouts, and increased alerts, often requires a paid subscription. These plans, such as Essential, Plus, and Premium, unlock a much richer trading experience, especially for active traders. Some brokers even offer free TradingView Premium access if you trade a certain volume, so it's always good to explore those options. In essence, TradingView has transformed from a top-tier charting platform into a robust trading platform, allowing you to streamline your workflow and execute trades directly from your analytical workspace. This integration empowers you to react quickly to market movements and manage your positions efficiently, all within a single, powerful interface. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.